And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send me this 1TB NVMe SSD. Now, this is a Gen 4 gaming solid-state drive. It has speeds up to 7,100 megabytes per second, which is great for PS5 storage expansion or just using on a normal PC. Now, this is the S880E version. This is a look at the box. Just that info there. Company name there. Compatible with PC and PlayStation 5 consoles. Company name, and then a little bit more of the specs. So there's a sticker. Now they make these in a 500 gig, a 1TB, a 2TB, and a 4TB. So plenty of options to choose from. So this is, slide this out. Nothing else in there. This comes with absolutely everything you need. I'm not going to continue to take anything out due to the fact that I need to install this in something. As you can see, this is the S880E 1TB, and it even includes your screws and even a nice little handy dandy screwdriver. And of course, an instruction manual. Now this is a 3D NAND PCIe Gen 4 solid state drive with an M.2 2280 form factor. It has PCIe 4.0 lightning fast data speeds with reading speeds up to 730 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 6,100 megabytes per second. Being a PCIe 4.0 SSD, it is great for heavy workloads like rendering photos or loading videos faster. And that will essentially do it for this unboxing. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.